This viral gem is literally everywhere right now. If you've been looking for Tay absolute best item online, this whole second you've been looking is a complete game changer. Everyone is talking about it lately cause the engineering behind it is brilliant. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal while stocks last. This viral gem is literally everywhere right now. If you've been looking for Tay absolute best item online, this whole second you've been looking is a complete game changer. Everyone is talking about it lately cause the engineering